What's up, guys? I just want to show you a quick iPhone mount, an Android mount for your phone. Cool thing about this, guy, is it fits all phones. It doesn't have to be an iPhone. This is called the Velocity Clip. It allows you to take your smartphone, mount it to your bike, your chest, your helmet, and get some really cool action footage. So it's kind of like turning your phone into a GoPro. So it's kind of cool. Once it's in here, you can see it's definitely not falling out. Once you're at that point, you can stick a bike handlebar mount on this guy, and this will fit all bikes. It's a total universal mount. Well, then all you have to do is clip it right in. Really easy, really simple system. Once it's on there, you can actually adjust the angle of your shot at 280 degrees. Clamp that guy down, and then you're done. Really simple. Now you can clip it into any of the other mounts. Fits all phones, so check it out at velocityclip.com. You can pick one up for about 40 bucks. Comes with free shipping and tons and tons of different mounting options. So take a look, let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys.